Okay, so we've got all of our stuff ready. We're going to change out number 1, which is an 8 frame, with a new number 1, which is a 10 frame. Yep, we're just finishing up our designs and then we will be installing them. Okay, we've got just a normal amount of activity here on the front before we switch. Ooh, lots of pollen on those legs. I saw. So that's pretty awesome. Fun. Okay, we're gonna get started changing this one into a 10 frame. Okay, you can practice and then come up here to the front and you're gonna just kind of smoke them and kind of aim it towards the front. See, this is an aimer. There you go. And see how they kind of go inside to get a drink? Cool. Give them a couple more puffs and then you can give them some space.
And then they'll go eat the honey.
Yep, they're gonna go eat the honey.
I like smoking.
Yeah, where'd the smoker go? Okay, can you go get it?
I said it there.
So today, this is my red tool. I don't have it.
Yeah, I got it.
Great, thank you. And can you get, here, let me get this one.
The smoke smells good.
Yeah, I think it does. Will you smoke the front again?
Yeah.
Just a couple puffs?
It's the back.
That's actually the front. Oh, they're all gone, see? Great. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh.
Huh.
There's a lot of bees up here. That means
Do you want me to?
you can puff a little smoke up here. You can stand on this part, on the wooden part, and puff a little smoke. Good job, okay? Now, I'm gonna use this weird screwdriver thing. This is not a good tool to use. Oh boy. I wish I had my red thing. Oh boy.
Why do you need to open that?
To get inside. There we go.
The screwdriver works.
Barely. It's not long enough, really. Okay, go ahead and smoke a little bit. Okay. Oh, these bees are going to be so happy to get a bigger home.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what they're doing up here.
Can I smoke them one more puff?
Sure.
Like that one right there?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, good job. Okay,
They're not moving.
That's okay.
Some.
So there's not much activity up here, so that's okay.
I'm not doing that?
See how it's not much built?
No.
Yeah.
No.
So I'll show you a little bit of one that they're building.
Oh, look at all the bees.
Yeah.
Let's push bees.
Okay. So see this?
And sometimes when we were laying down on the couch, Can we watch this video when it's ready?
Yeah, we can watch this video later. Okay, can you smoke these ones? Okay. Let me see it real quick. Okay. I've never done a moving a whole frame, so I'm not sure how to do it, but I think I'm gonna take the whole thing off and then load it one by one back in. Okay, so can you step off?
Set this down some.
You can set it right here. We'll use it again. We want it close by, yep. Okay. So I'm gonna take this whole thing off and put that whole thing back. And the bees are probably gonna be weirded out by it. Ooh, it's heavy. Maybe I should only do one of them because it's so heavy. Oh wow, look at all these. Do you want to smoke them?
Yeah. Here it is. Did any get close to me? Can I let it move it?
Just smoke them gently. Yep. You can do a little more on this side because it's the wind is going that way. Yep, there you go. Okay. Now go ahead and set it down and back up again. I'm gonna move. What? Just in case I drop it or make a big accident.
Like Smith bees?
Yeah, maybe.
Can we both put some in?
Yep. But I gotta move quickly because right now they're all getting upset and confused. So let me work kind of quick, okay? I gotta get these back in there. Okay. So I'm gonna smoke them and get them down because right now there's a bunch. And one by one, I'm gonna take them over there to the new hive. Okay. So this is our first one.
Whoa.
And we have a couple of queen caps that I'm gonna get rid of.
Can I see?
Yeah, these are called queen caps.
What are queen caps?
They're thinking about, hey, should I make this in case I need to make a new queen? And so I'm gonna get rid of them because I don't want them to have a new queen.
Why?
Because we want them to use the queen that we already have.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, those all look really good.
Where's the queen?
She's not in there yet. We're gonna keep looking for them. They're starting to get pretty upset because I'm doing this. So I just want you to be careful.
I just want to look at them.
I know, you can look at them. I'm just trying to not upset the bees.
I see the queen, but she don't have a dot on her.
Well, then she's not the queen. Okay. Next one. This is crazy.
Yes. Whoa.
Okay. This is another big hive. Please don't get closer. I don't want the bees to get upset with you. So we're gonna move real slow. See all those larvae? Isn't that cool?
I don't see larvae.
Look right there. See the white things right before they get capped? These ones that are capped are,
I don't see one.
Rosie, they're white.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Okay, I don't see any queen. We're gonna keep looking for her.
Yeah.
See all these bees flying around? They're getting kind of angry at us.
Yeah. We got these boots on.
Yep, we got bee suits on.
Look at that. We got protection and the bees don't. But I guess the bees do have a protection.
Look at all that's honey. See how it's capped? All that's honey. See how it's all capped?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's not built very good. I don't like that.
What is it?
Um,
Hole that was
yeah,
in there?
it shouldn't have a hole in it. Okay, they're starting to not get happy.
It's a little way.
You can get stung wearing a bee suit still. So, I just want you to know.
How?
Because they can sting through it. It's not bee proof. It's just, okay, let's,
Everything is easy.
I know.
I'm going up to.
They make really scary big ones that are, but these bees are worried because they're coming home and they're like, why is my house not correct?
Yeah. Because they're like, I know it was right here.
Okay, let's see if this one's built better. This one's built better. So they only just built that one bad.
Can you see?
Yeah, I just showed it to you. I'm not gonna spend a ton of time, Rosie, because I'm trying to be fast. So you're gonna have to watch, and I'm having to go fast because these bees are getting mad. You understand? It'd be like if somebody started taking your house apart. You'd be like, why are they taking my house apart?
Because we want you to have a new house.
We want you to have a new house, little bees. Yeah.
So that way we can have cute little bees on your house.
They are getting feisty on me though.
If they were cuddly little.
They're not cuddly, I'll tell you that.
No. If they were cuddly coyotes, they would be nicer than stinger bees.
I'm getting bumped. I'm probably gonna get stung.
Hope I don't.
Yeah, I hope you don't too. I don't even know if you're allergic or not.
I'm not allergic.
We don't know. You've never been stung. Okay.
Dad, you just have to be by the thing you're allergic to.
No. Okay, I don't see any queen caps, and I don't see a queen, so that's good.
You don't see a queen is good.
Well, no. I just meant.
No
Oh,
queen
oh, I'm getting bumped.
no queen cat. Oh, I can smoke.
Okay, go ahead and smoke then. You smoke. Okay, that's good. I still haven't seen the queen, so maybe she's in the,
Last frame.
yeah, maybe she's in the last room or the second floor.
Yeah.
Okay, last frame, here we go. Bump, go ahead and smoke the area right here. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Some more. Okay. We're gonna need it again though, because these bees are spicy.
Spicy, what is that?
That means they're a little bit
Also, you can say sour.
feisty, spicy. Kind of like the same thing.
Or like sour. Sour means the same thing.
Does it? Okay, let's see if we... See, here's another queen cell, and I'm going to get rid of that. We don't want that.
Queen cap?
Yeah. Okay. I still don't see the queen.
Maybe she's in the bottom floor.
Maybe she's in the next floor. Oh, that's honey, okay.
Maybe she's in the bees. And we are giant bees. That's a lot of bees in one hive. That's really a lot of bees. That's truly a lot of bees.
Can you get the smoker, please?
Yes.
Please get the smoker.
I could figure out one.
Okay.
There's a lot of bees on that side there.
I know.
Much of the queen in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get them out here. I'll do my best to not mess them up.
Let's look for the queen.
Oh gosh. Okay.
I don't think we will.
No, they're not happy.
Because we took their frame.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna set this one to the side.
Until they can get in their home.
I don't see the queen in there. Okay.
I'm gonna go inside. That's
Okay.
my grave.
Okay, fine. Thank you for your help. Do you know how to get out of that?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, there's a Velcro thing right here.
I know.
Okay. Okay, I'm on the second floor. This is like all honey. I don't see a queen. And my pattern is gonna be alternating from up, so it doesn't seem like something new to them. Kind of seems like the same thing. Tons of honey. Crazy amounts of honey. The queen. Oh, sweet girl. What a lovely girl. She's looking at all the honey. Maybe she's looking for a new spot to lay. Okay, so let me get eyes on her again. Lots of honey. Lots of honey. Nothing. Honey. Nothing. Oh, this one's a little heavier. We've got crazy packed honey and then capped honey at the top. I wish they would do this more often and cap it instead of keep building out. Oh, that one had a lot of pollen on its pants. And this one's got like nothing on it. They're probably working on building it. Crazy honey. All honey. So I don't know if she's like looking for a space to lay or what, but at least they've got a ton of honey coming into the winter. Just making some room here so I don't roll the bees with this last one. So heavy. We've got tons of honey and empty frames, some of them, so maybe they can put some brood in there. Yeah, she's using this for some brood, I guess. This side's honey. Motherfucker. Just saw a beetle. Oh, thank goodness. I'm feeling better now. Okay, got the queen in there. Got them completely in a new tin frame. Got this sweet bee that wants to hit me, but otherwise, people aren't too mad at me. The only thing I don't know how to do is get this, all these bees in here. So, we're gonna try this and probably not do it right. guess, do I like rush them? I'm hoping they like kind of walk in to the beehive here. Hey, at least I'm getting some beetles out. Okay, yeah, keep going. You're almost there. Good girls. Okay. I don't know what's happening, but I kind of want them to like walk the other way, not up. Can you walk down? Maybe I should turn it. They seem to be liking to go this way. Well, I don't know how to get these out. Maybe I'll get my brush. Cool. Yeah, that's a stupid idea. Okay. I accidentally squished a bee. Glad I didn't get stung. Okay, I've leaned it up. Maybe they'll go in that way. I don't know. Bees on here. Oh God. Yeah, I really messed up the other bees. Whew. Well, I think this, aside from losing the queen, I think if anything could have gone wrong, it did. I'm certainly not doing well. Oh gosh. I forgot this one was not even attached. So all these bees are kind of lost. Whew. No, I'm glad these bees aren't very mean. Because if they were, I would have been killed, because they are quite upset at me. Okay. Well, here's to trying. again, more things going wrong. Maybe I need a break. Okay. And then the next two are gonna go there. Okay. So this one keeps confusing me because they're not really fully built out in these two floors. There's a couple spaces that's of not fully built out frames, so it's like, why did they need the super? But I think it has to do with like the heat, I guess. And they just need more space to go. Also, that other old hive had the wrong paint on it, so I'm wondering if, see, they've built out that, which is really nice. Oh, and that's beautiful. But I'm wondering if they potentially, you know, with the heat or whatever, they're just like, eh. Beautifully built out. I'm just trying to kill this beetle. I guess I need to put a little, oh, yeah, that's really pretty. Just put some honey in there, girls. At least they're up here trying. Okay. Oh yeah, I guess I need to put a one of those fabric sheets up here to catch the beetles. Is that a beetle? Yep, sure was. Okay, sorry girls. Thanks for being patient with me. Okay. So I said fabric softener, but this is like a dry sweeping refill. They're not scented, but what happens is the beetle will get stuck in this, and the bees don't seem to, so that's what I'm doing for my beetle treatment that is chemical free. Ooh, okay, thank you, bee. I'm gonna put that there. okay? Okay. Now I just have this big accident. Let's see if I can make it worse or better. Okay, they're kind of done with this. That's good. Beetle, beetle, 3, 4. There are lots of beetles. 5. These, oh, I didn't even know they could fly. Um, okay, girls. Okay. Whew. I know, you guys are mad. One, sorry. Alright, we had, I don't know, could have gone worse, I think. Could have gone better, obviously, but, you know, at the end of the day, now I'm up to a double deep, and I think that's worth something. Oh, 10 frame, double deep, sorry. Okay, cool, so that's my old, here's my new. Ugh. I am happy with what happened here today. Whoops. Sounded like a bee got squished. Whew. Cool. Okay. Make sure we're centered. A little bit close to the front, so I'm going to pull it back some. Like that. Thing. Maybe they'll come in. Okay, just trying to get it all perfect before the bees glue it all together. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Give you guys a view of the front. So, there's still some bees down there, So I put this little, there's like a patch of like 20 bees. Put this little ramp up. Maybe they'll come up into it. But that is our tin frame. So I really hope the bees start recognizing it's their new home. The queen's in there, so they should figure it out soon. Okay. Success. We got rid of 3 queen caps, like maybe like 10 hive beetles, and put down some hive beetle preventative dry fiber cloths, and then we got this all the way to a 10 frame. Although it was tough, it was a successful, I guess, interaction with the bees. Here's my waterer now that I've gotten the goldfish out. Obviously working quite a bit better. They like to hang out over in this corner. Oh, good girls. I'm just glad they're using it finally. I have it set up on my drip edge so that way kind of refills itself with rainwater and I don't have to mess with it. And then this little pump is just a solar pump to keep it recirculated and clear.